to come.
I'm told that one of the must-do things in Namale is to take a boat ride out on the Namale Pearl. So I form a little band of soldiers who venture to ride the waves across the blue Pacific in search of the perfect spots to dive, snorkel and maybe even spot a few of the creatures that make the Pacific Ocean their home. I've spent my day taking a boat ride out to the middle of the Pacific. This is the Great White Wall right underneath the boat. It's meant to be one of the best diving sites in Fiji. I'm not doing any diving today, but I am going to indulge in a little bit of snorkeling.
Bola.
The wave breakers surrounding the Great White Barrier makes it an excellent place for snorkeling. The calm waters are crystal clear and warm, making this island a great destination for snorkelers looking for something different. I join my mates on the boat in search of something unique, and slowly as I swim across, I feel like I'm getting lost in the world underneath the blue surface. I'm having the best day. After snorkeling right in the middle of the ocean, I've come out to a little cove that I've decided to call Hudson's Cove, named after my dear friend here. I'm going to jump right in and see if the waters are any clearer here than they were over there. As though the first place isn't good enough, our guides at Namale take us down further out onto a private little island with a pristine green lagoon of its own. I'm told that this lagoon houses even more variety of the soft coral that makes Fiji the soft coral capital of the world. Once I take a dive in, I can easily make out why. Swimming in the lagoon, I simply get lost in the phantasmagorical myriad of colors that inhabit the ocean world. Of course, I find one specific point which looks simply beautiful, and I go in for a much closer look. This shore was an absolutely beautiful experience, one that I wouldn't mind going in for over and over again. Okay, so I'm sitting here with my fellow crew members. We've all been little pirates today. We've been out at sea, and these are the guys I was snorkeling with. They're all traveling here from different parts in the world. So why don't you start by telling my friends back home in India where you're traveling to Fiji from? Go ahead, start one by one.
We are in Colorado Springs, home of the United States Olympic Committee, and we came out here via Los Angeles to Denver and, well, E-race.
Denver to
Los Angeles and then to Fiji, and it's been truly magnificent. Staying in Namale, and last night we had one of those romantic evenings of our entire life. It was absolutely fantastic. They, I think, made up our anniversary, but it was beautiful and amazing in every way. So we're so blessed to be here, and thank you.
Well, how are you liking Fiji so far?
I'm loving it.
you know, the staff is great. They create special moments and all this stuff for us. So it's really magical to us, and we really, really love it here.
Nice.
You are very quiet. You will speak.
Lots of fish. That's what I got.
Angelfish,
coral. Have little fishies.
Have there been any super special moments for you that you're going to take back home from Fiji?
Yes, of course.
What are they? Do you care to disclose them like they did?
All the magical dinners that you know is created for us and all that stuff just makes a very romantic setting and just you know allows us to connect even more.
Yeah. Do you guys travel a lot, all of you?
Yes.
And would you say that Fiji is one of the nicest places you've been?
Oh, it's the most beautiful place.
Yeah. Oh, amazing.
It's my favourite. Yes.
Is it your first time here?
No, fourth.
Fourth time. Yeah. Wow. That must mean something.
Yes.
There you go. From someone who's been here 4 times, Fiji is the best place in the world.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.